He rolling. he coming towards the camera. He just rolled over. He trying to come to me. Don't come to me. Go play. Go play, Onyx. Go play. When he try, he'll get a little ways, and then he'll roll. Where you going, Onyx? Where are you going? Too big. You just peed on my carpet. You had the nerve to get off of the towel to pee on my carpet. Tell me the purpose of that. Tell me why you couldn't pee on the towel. That's why you rolling over and can't catch yourself. Yeah. Just now done it. He getting mad. 'Cause he's whining. He getting frustrated because his nails are catching that towel. Okay.